In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Canva. This process is both intuitive and quick, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily add links to your Canva designs, enhancing their interactivity and usability. To begin, open your design within Canva. Once your design is open, locate the text or element to which you'd like to add a hyperlink. This could be a title, a button, or any piece of text that you want to act as a clickable link. Click on this text to select it, and you'll notice a toolbar with various options appears at the top of your screen. Next, look for the three dots on this toolbar, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking it will reveal additional formatting choices that might not be visible initially. Once there, scan through the options and click on Link. This feature enables you to create the hyperlink for your text. A small window will appear where you can enter the URL or select the page you want the text to link to. If it's an external link, simply copy and paste the desired URL into the box. Alternatively, if you're linking to another page within your Canva document, you can select it directly from the options available within this window. After entering your link, it's crucial to confirm that everything is set correctly. Click Done to finalize the creation of your hyperlink, ensuring the link is properly attached to the text you selected. The Done button effectively saves your settings and applies the hyperlink to your design. To double check your work, click the Present or Preview option to test your hyperlink within the design environment. Clicking on the link text should now open the designated URL or navigate to the specified page within your document, making it a fully functional interactive element. Adding hyperlinks in Canva is a great way to enhance your designs, particularly for creating interactive presentations or linking to external resources in documents like ebooks or reports. It offers viewers an easy way to access additional information, boosting engagement and the overall effectiveness of your work. Remember, the key to successful hyperlinking is ensuring that the links are relevant and accessible to your audience. By following these steps, you'll be able to skillfully incorporate hyperlinks into your Canva projects, adding a dynamic layer to your designs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.